Scientists may have just witnessed the impossible. The James Webb Space Telescope has spotted a nearly naked black hole that seems to have formed moments after the Big Bang itself. If this is confirmed, it would overturn decades of astronomy and even prove right a bold theory once proposed by Stephen Hawking. Until now, the story went like this. First, stars formed. Then, when the biggest ones died, their collapse gave birth to black holes. Over time, galaxies grew and black holes sat at their centers. But JWST's discovery of an ancient black hole without a galaxy around it challenges that sequence entirely. The observations focus on a mysterious little red dot called QSO-1, over 13 billion years old, when the universe was only about 700 million years young. Astronomers saw a gigantic black hole, weighing 50 million suns, but with just a thin halo of gas and dust. In today's universe, galaxies are thousands of times heavier than the black holes inside them, but here, the black hole is heavier than its surroundings. That's unheard of. So what's going on? One idea is that this is a primordial black hole, a concept first proposed in the 1970s by Stephen Hawking. In the very first fractions of a second after the Big Bang, regions of space denser than their surroundings could have collapsed directly into black holes. These would be stitched into the cosmos from the beginning, serving as the seeds around which galaxies later formed. For decades, this was just theory. Now, JWST may have found the first evidence. Another possibility? A massive gas cloud in the early universe may have collapsed straight into a black hole, skipping the star stage. But that requires rare, very specific conditions, and scientists don't see signs of those in QSO-1. That's why many astronomers lean toward the primordial explanation. If primordial black holes exist, they'd shake up fundamental physics. They could explain how some black holes grew so massive so quickly. They might even account for some of the mysterious dark matter that makes up most of the universe's mass. This isn't just about one object, it's about rewriting the origin story of the cosmos. The gas around QSO-1 was found to be chemically pristine. Just hydrogen and helium, the original elements from the Big Bang. No heavy elements, which means no nearby stars had lived and died there. That supports the idea this black hole formed without galaxies first. Still, the case isn't closed, it's indirect evidence, not yet absolute proof. Astronomers say it will take time, and perhaps the next generation of gravitational wave detectors, to know for sure. But if JWST really has spotted a primordial black hole, it's not just a discovery, it's a paradigm shift. One that forces us to rethink how everything, galaxies, stars, even us, came to be. What do you think? Are we on the edge of rewriting cosmic history? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the universe.